In this video, we'll use Workik AI to build a Node.js API that generates its own CRUD endpoints automatically. It all starts with this one detailed prompt. We're telling the AI to build the entire project, but crucially, to include a dynamic/generate endpoint that will write new code for us on the fly. Instantly, Workik AI provides all the terminal commands we need to create our project directory and install the necessary dependencies like Express, Mongoose, and .env. This completely removes the guesswork and streamlines the initial setup. Now that the project is set up, let's create the code structure. Workik AI lays out the exact folder structure and our environment variables. We'll quickly put those in place. Next, our database connection logic. Workik generates the Mongoose code, and we just drop it right in. Workik now generates the controller and routes, completing our API's core logic in seconds. Next, it creates the mainindex.js file, which includes that custom/generate endpoint we requested, and even provides the package.json start script. With all the files in place, Workik gives us the final command to start the server. And as you can see, our server is running and successfully connected to MongoDB. Now for the exciting part. Let's test the API generator we just built. We're going to send a post request to our /generate endpoint. In the body, we're defining a completely new model. In this case, a user model with fields for username, age, and email. We hit send. And now look at this. Back in our editor, 3 new files have been instantly created: user.js, usercontroller.js, and userroutes.js. The AI didn't just write our initial application. It wrote code that is intelligent enough to generate more code based on a simple JSON request. To speed up your own workflow, try Workik AI for free.